guys, it's your girl Real Juice here today, and today is part 2 of the video that I did for the first TikTok thing. So today we're gonna do the vlog. We're gonna do the Vogue challenge. You guys have seen me do the Vogue challenge on my Instagram. I did like a couple, but I'm gonna do a couple of brand new ones with fresh new pictures and the surroundings of my room. I do have a little bit of filters. I just did this look. If you haven't checked this model look, go ahead, check it. It's literally part 1 of this video. But yeah, we're gonna start doing this right now. So our background is basically going to be my mirror area where there's like my plants, my guitar and stuff. I'm gonna cover the mirror because, you know, I have like a background which is black. We're gonna do the black background, and I'm thinking of doing 2 looks. So I already did the makeup. I'm going to do the turtleneck going down and the ponytail, probably slick back or in a little bun, like a little low bun. You guys know that I don't wear that much makeup, that much jewelry, because I do have gauges. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Let's start. You're gonna see my look. So this is what I came up with. This is what I did. I'm just gonna move the camera, to be honest with you. This is what I did. I covered the whole mirror just with my little thing. Like, I put a push pin on both, and this will be my background, which the plants are not gonna get in the picture, mostly because I have a small room and there's not a lot of, you know, area to move around in. So that's the background. I'll make it work because that basically they have mostly backgrounds. So I'm gonna take the pictures with my actual camera, because I do have my phone, but my phone is a little bit full on freaking photos. But I will be editing on my phone because I have to, like I said, I have a lot of photos. I'm probably gonna do some little bit of Lightroom or something, or Tatcha, mostly Tatcha, because I like Tatcha better. But like for the other editing stuff, it will be thing. So then we're gonna go deep down into my phone, which I'm gonna do the recording and stuff, because we're going to do the magazine look, because everybody's like, how do you do it? It's like literally 5 seconds to literally do it. I have done those photos within 2 minutes, and I done 4 photos. Basically, I done like, I'm gonna put them up here. I done a Halloween one, which I just put a photo that I did a Halloween for a Halloween series that I did a couple of years ago, and just posted the old little cap letters things. Then I did the one where I did the fashion picture that I did a while ago, and then the one that I just literally did in my brother's room for a selfie. And those were basically within the same day. It's kind of easy. It's just easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All you need, 1 app. That's about it, to be honest with you.
Is basically go onto PixArt. Is basically where I get all like the stickers for the vlog on Vogue magazine covers. And what you see here is I just literally will put the word Vogue. Different types of Vogue magazine stickers will pop out. You can pick any one you want. It's kind of really easy, and it takes only 5 minutes. Once you pick whatever sticker you want, all you have to do is put the size of how you want it, like this right now. You see how the size, I literally just, you know, put it in a big size to where I want the picture, like my face to be in the front. And then after that, I will apply the sticker. The sticker will stick, and what I do is, once that sticker is now part of the picture, I will literally go into the tool area, crop out the 2 sides, and that's how you get your Vogue cover. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I will be doing in-depth of editing, how I edit my pictures on Instagram. I have switched a little bit of that. You can put it on your Instagram directly or your phone, whichever one you want.
So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of basically how to do the vlog why I keep saying vlog? Vogue challenge magazine thing. I literally just untangled my hair and put some like stuff on my hair to, you know, neutralize it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.